Hey, what's up guys? So as you can see that I have the square version of Amazfit Active 2 and it comes in the premium version. Actually, this is the only version that it comes in because this is the premium version. It actually comes with the sapphire glass protection and two bands, a premium band and a workout band that we'll see in this unboxing. So without any further delays, let's open this box up and see the watch itself. So there you go, that's the watch, and as you can see it has this rectangular shape and a very nice leather band. It has a very classic look. I really like the look of this watch. So we'll put this aside, go through the rest of the box. So if we open this up here, that's our second band. And that is our charging puck. So anyways guys, this is the watch right here. It looks absolutely gorgeous. It comes with this leather looking band. Don't know if it's actually leather, but it looks absolutely gorgeous, this watch. We have a mic here and I guess the speakers are on this side, and then this thing, I love this thing. This is USB-C enabled, so you can just plug in your phone's USB-C charger and it is magnetic, so it very quickly and easily just connects to the back of the watch and you can just charge it with USB-C. So traveling with it is also easy, something I really like, and it's pretty, the connection is pretty strong with the watch. And now this band is actually, I believe it's a silicone band, and this is exactly like the band that I got with Amazfit Active 2 Circle, and it looks pretty similar, just colored differently, and I'm excited to put this on the watch and see how the watch looks with it as well. So now we are connected with the Zepp app on the phone and it's all good to go. So this is the default watch face, and what's happening now? So again, very similar interface as we have seen in previous Amazfit Active 2 and Bip 6, and we already have an update that I will check out later. Now there are a few differences between Amazfit Active 2 and Amazfit Active 2 Square that I will explore in future videos. The main one is that Amazfit Active 2 is running on Zepp OS 4.5, whereas Amazfit Active 2 Square is running on Zepp OS 5. So that's a big difference, and I'm really excited to check this out. So this one is Zepp OS 5 and this one is Zepp OS 4.5. So here you can see, so that's already a major difference between these two watches, and I'll be exploring what's really the difference between these two softwares on these two watches and how this affects the user experience. Now Active 2 comes with a 1.32 inch AMOLED display, whereas Active 2 Square comes with 1.75 inch display. So there is that, but because this is round, this is square, you really can't tell the difference. They look pretty similar to me. A good comparison would be Amazfit Bip 6, which has a 1.97 inch display, I believe, if I'm not forgetting. So here you can see the difference clearly, how big the display on Amazfit Bip 6 is. And this one is 1.97 inch AMOLED display and Active 2 Square is 1.75 inch AMOLED display. And you can see the difference is already massive. So there is that. And now let's go ahead and change the band to the fitness version and see how it looks. So now this is how it looks with the fitness band. To be honest, I actually like this leather band more. But let's put this on. I really wish that they make a matte black version of this watch. That would look really, really awesome. But until then, we have this silver option. So let me know, which one do you like better, the leather band or the silicone one? So yeah, that's about it from this video for now, guys. I'll be making a lot more videos of this watch, exploring the Zepp OS 5 and the differences between this watch and Active 2's Circle one, the regular one. But that's about it from this video, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.